Hi, this is Hayden from Connect and welcome to my Power BI tutorial video. In the previous two videos I've shown you how to load an Excel file and how to load a CSV file into Power BI. This time I'm going to show you how to load multiple versions of the same file. So in this example, in this folder here, I have 11 orders files. Now what I want to do is import those in a single step, not repetitively import each one individually. So to do that, get data, choose more. Power BI will give you a list of importable options that it connects to automatically, and select folder. Hit connect. It's worth noting that this process will also work for Excel files if you have multiple versions of the same Excel file. So if you choose the location where your data is, orders, and click OK, Power BI will scan that folder and it's presented to me a list of the 11 files that it's found in. Now, I don't want that list, I want the detail within those files. So what I want to do is select combine, and you've got two options, combine and transform or combine and load. Transform just simply takes you into the Power Query editor, which we'll cover in later videos. So I'm just going to select combine and load. What Power BI will do, it will import each of those 11 files, and it will also include a source value. So if I just select OK here, once the table appears, I'll show you and exactly how Power BI imports it as per the structure, but the source value, each row will show you the individual document that it came from, the original CSV file. So if I select data, select orders, these are the 5 columns that are in my CSVs, and as you can see, all of the order files have been imported. There you go. So that's how to import multiple files within the same folder. The best practice, or the really good thing about this, is if I were to drop 5 or 5 more orders files in here and hit the refresh button, it would pull all of those files in. You've built that structure, whether it's 1, 2, 3, it will work many times, as long as all the CSVs or all the Excel files have the same structure and data content within. Thanks. In my next video, we'll be talking about building relationships. So thank you. Goodbye.